Let us understand more properties with CSS3. So CSS3 property, I can say CSS property group, whatever we are having with the CSS. So I just did some grouping here. You can notice here I have animations. So in animation some properties are there, in background some properties are there. Similarly for the border and outline, for making box, for color, for content page media, for dimensions and all. So there are some other properties related to flexible box or font, generated content, for grid, hyperlink, all this stuff, multi-column, padding. So we'll see what are the properties with this stuff, right? Speech, table, text, 2D, 3D, transition, user interface, and what are the use of that properties and what effect it give with the page, right? So let us start with sorry, animation first. Okay, how we can and what are the properties with animations. So let us start with that first. I have one project with CSS3 that I will explain to you. Now you can notice here I have a property @keyframe which specifies the animations. You have to give the name of some animations and that you have to specify the frames in that. So the animation is the shorthand property for all the animation property below except the animation play state property. So with animation you can explain. So this is a shorthand property. You can give name, you can give durations and timing functions, right? And you can give animation delay, animation iteration count, animation direction. Okay, so there are few numbers of properties we are having. We'll use all these properties, okay, and specify whether the animation is running or pause. So this is the state of animation. Okay, if we talk about animation name, we just specify a name, and animation duration is by how many seconds or millisecond animation takes to complete one cycle. Okay, so that is animation duration. Animation timing functions is by the speeding curve of the animation. Okay, you are getting this speeding curve. So that is its animation timing functions. And animation delay, when the animation will start, right? After 5 seconds. If you just come to the page, will it start immediately or some time? You can see that is all the feature of CSS3 only, right? It's by the number of times an animation should be played, how many times it will execute. And what is the direction? Plain reverse order or alternate cycle. Okay, so let us understand one example on this. If you can see this here, that this box will, I mean, this box will start from here. It will keep going like this, keep coming like this. So it will keep rotating here like this. Okay, and there will be some effect with the box also. So when the animation is created in the keyframe, bind it to selector, otherwise the animation will have no effect. Okay, so bind the animation to selector by specifying at least these two CSS3 animation properties. So specify the name of the animation, specify the duration of the animation. So these two things we have to specify. Let us see that one example here which can help you to understand better. Now I have one example here. Now see this. What we are trying to do here, we are making one division. Okay, and in this division we are saying width 100 pixel, height 100 pixel, background should be red. Okay, the background color, position is relative. Okay, and border radius is 40 pixels. So we are making almost the box will be in the circle, not circle exactly. You have noticed in the previous screen it was just square like or rectangle like, but the corner was round. Now here we are saying animation name. What name? My first. We are giving the name of animation my first. Animation duration 5 second. Animation duration is the 5 second. Now if you go back here, the animation duration was what? See here. How many seconds or millisecond an animation takes to complete one cycle, right? So it should take a 5 second to complete it. Okay, it should take here we have specified that animation duration. Okay, so it should take 5 seconds to complete. And animation timing function. Okay, this you understood name. This you understood. Animation timing function we are giving linear here. You can use linear, ease in, ease out, easy not, or cubic, right? Sorry. So cubic Bezier you can use. So these are the different functions we have which will have a different effect on the box. Animation delay 2 seconds, so it will start after 2 seconds. Okay. Count we are saying infinite, keep going on. Alternate means it will come back also. Once go, then come back. Right? So this is what count and this is what alternate behavior. Animation play state running. So pause, running, and you can use two options, pause or running. Well, same thing I have specified for the Mozilla. I have specified for the Chrome, you can see here. Same thing I repeated here. So that it will work with Safari, Chrome also, or Firefox also, like that. Okay, this name you have to use in the keyframe. The name which you have given, okay, you have to use in the keyframe here. So here we are saying that keyframe my first we are specifying now, and we are saying 0%. If come from 0% to 25%, the effect will be like this: background red and left position is 0, top is 0. So suppose this is your browser. So if it completes 0%, 0% to 25%, in the beginning it will be read at this place, right? If it complete 25%, then it go there where left 200 pixel. So it will come here and it will become yellow. It was earlier red, right? And then if it is completing 50%, then go to the left 200, become blue here, right? And top 200, so it will not come here, it will come maybe here. So 200 and down 200, right? And it will become blue. If it complete 75%, then become green, left 0 position, come to here, right? And top 200%. So it will become green here and again go back and become red. So we are saying this is the cycle which we are repeating here. And it may come back here, okay, like this. Once you going, again coming like this. So it will go like this and again come back here. Again go, come back like this. Same thing we are spying for the Firefox and Safari and all. I'm just using one div and one paragraph inside that animated box, right? Well, so I hope you understood this code now. I'll show you the example how to work with that and what is the effect here, right? Let us see that background. So come to the animation part and we'll see this one. Okay, animation. I open this in Internet Explorer. So you're not getting the effect here, right? Now if I go to here and I say open with Chrome, open with Google Chrome. So still it is not working in the. Now you just notice here, this is Chrome I'm using here. So it is just going horizontally only, right? Because the code is like this. So let me explain the, or let me change the code and see the effect here. You can see the keyframe here 00 200 pixel, or let us talk about the Chrome only here. In the Chrome we are saying that start from 0 pixel, left 100 pixel, top 0, so always it is going linear only, right? Once I make say first time go to there and then come down, so let us say 50 pixel come down and then go to the right 400 pixel, or make it here 250 pixel, okay, and come down to 100 pixel, right? And then top 0, don't go to the left 500 pixel, come down to the 350 pixel, okay, 350 pixel, save it. Now refresh it here. Okay, let us check now. So you have noticed here, just look at here, it is not started immediately, it has given a pause, right? So see, it is becoming blue and green, going there, it is like this. So see the effect here, becoming yellow, blue, green, red, and again coming back, right? So this is what animation. Instead of using this box, you can use some kind of let us say I just want to use Google here, and I will open one kind of word here, say download one word image, right? So yep, let us take the word from here. Okay. Mm, so we'll save this image. Go to G3, CSS3, CSS3 example. Okay, just say words dot jpg, save it. Okay, so we'll go to here in the words.jpg. I just copy paste. Okay, so I just open in paint here. So what I will do, I will take from here to here and cut it. Okay, so you can put it here. Save now. Okay, now inside this code, instead of writing this line, I just I don't want to write one paragraph or something like that. I just say here img src equal to jpg, right? Close the image. Now let us try now. Don't give the background color and all. So just say here slash star and star slash. Save it. Let us check. You have noticed that this word started to fly now, right? So you can use some kind of animated image here, which will just keep animating this or some part of the image, and it can fly like this. Okay, so I hope you understood the whole stuff related to the animation. So that's all about understanding of animation here.